roll nicht, und wenn das
What are you doing? Looking for life's great answers in the fridge or something?
Yeah, wouldn't that be cool? Dude. Hey, so what are you doing?
Just working on algebra.
What if I told you the answer to your problem was x equals 6?
Yeah, that is. Huh.
Hey, so, where's Corey? I haven't seen him for a while.
I think he's looking for his watch.
What do you think the chances are that his watch is, like, in his closet to the left on the second shelf up?
Probably not very high.
Guys, you won't believe where I found my watch.
Yeah, it wasn't by chance in your closet, second shelf on the left, was it?
How'd you know?
How do you know all this?
I don't know.